I think Pringle Homes is a great place to work because it's such a small business that everyone knows exactly what's going on with everything, and we're all vested in the outcome.
We're all working together for a common cause, being customer service and quality homes.
It's being able to take something that doesn't exist and make something tangible that someone spends more of their life in than anywhere else, which makes me incredibly proud.
It's a privilege to actually be proud of something that you're showing.
Being surrounded by amazing design every day.
The satisfaction, the happy client, and handing over a good product, that's what I strive to do.
Seeing the process of actually building the house and handing that over to the client is probably what makes me the happiest.
I take a lot of satisfaction out of having a hand-drawn plan or a 3D design plan that when we hand the house over, it looks just like that. And the clients walk in, you can see it in their face. They just, they love it. It's amazing. So that's what I get out of Beautiful.